Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Wi-Fi and remote control on the camera. This exposes the pairing SSID. Once done, open the Fujifilm Camera remote app on your phone and grant locations/permission prompts so the app can discover networks. You should select the camera's SSID in the app. If prompted, enter the 8-digit code shown on the camera. Do this now so the devices authenticate and establish a secure link before you move to shooting controls. Once paired, switch to live view or remote shooting in the app to see a real-time feed. This reduces camera handling and prevents shake. Make sure to set exposure, ISO, shutter speed, and aperture using the app sliders. This mirrors the camera body so you control exposure remotely. Use touch focus to pick a focus point and enable timer or interval shooting when needed. This workflow lets you frame, focus, and adjust settings without touching the camera, improving consistency and sharpness. You finish by triggering the shutter from the app and confirming images are written to the camera's card. If you also want a copy on your phone, use the download option after capture. When done, disconnect properly from the app or disable remote control on the camera. This prevents unintended connections. If pairing or live view fails, restart both devices, verify Wi-Fi SSID and code, and try again. Most issues clear with a reboot because temporary network or permission errors are reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.